Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Gig. So we're back with one more budget dashcam video, and this time we have with us the Nexdigitron A3 Dashcam. And in today's video, we will do the unboxing and we'll show you how it performs. So here is a box of the Nexdigitron A3 Dashcam. So in the front of the box we have the Nexdigitron branding along with the model name A3. And here we have the picture of the dashcam. And guys, this dashcam is made in India. At the bottom we have the key features such as you get the loop recording, voice recording, night vision, 30 FPS full HD recording, Wi-Fi support, app video sync, G-sensor, and this dashcam supports microSD card up to 128 GB. And here we can see the usage of the dashcam, such as the footage can be used as an evidence of a car accident, capture bad driving, prevents wrong challan and frauds, and you can use it for recording your trips. At the back we have some key features. And in this dashcam, we have the super capacitor technology, which is suitable for hot Indian weather. And then we have other features such as IPS battery protection. You get the 24 hours parking mode with the hardware kit, which I will show you in a moment. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So first we get the user manual, and it has a detailed info on how to set up this dashcam. And then in the box, we have the dashcam itself. And guys, looking at the build quality, I find this dashcam very good. We will look at the dashcam in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the mounting clamp, and this means the dashcam is detachable, which is really good. And then we get the extra 3M sticker for mounting. And after that, we have the prying tool for installation. And here we have a 12-volt charger with the micro USB. And guys, the length of the cable is more than enough for installation. And as mentioned earlier, you can also opt for the hardware kit variant, by which you can install the dashcam directly with the fuse box of your car. And this way, you will get 24 hours parking monitoring. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the dashcam closely. Nexdigitron A3 Dashcam is first of its kind made in India dashcam. It's a budget entry-level dashcam, and keeping in mind the pricing, we think the build quality and design wise, this dashcam is very good. And also, this dashcam comes with a detachable mount, which is for sure an advantage. And now in terms of the overview, we have the Nexdigitron logo in the front along with the lens. You get a wide field of view of 140 degrees, which is the best in this class. You have 6 glass lens which comes with an IR filter. At the back we can see that this dashcam is designed by ddpai. And here at this side, we have the microSD card slot along with the reset pin hole. On the other side we have the speaker, and on the top we have the place for the mounting clamp, and the ventilation grills are present on both top and at the bottom of the dashcam. And here also, you have a mic at the bottom. So overall the Nexdigitron A3 Dashcam looks good, and the build quality is definitely very good. Now let's go to the car and install the dashcam. Installation process is really simple, and for this video, we'll be using the 12-volt cigarette socket charger. So for the installation, first you need to clean the windshield, and the correct position is to install the cam just behind the rear view mirror. And here we have the clamp installed, and here we have attached the camera. Once the dashcam is installed, you can adjust the position like this. And now connect the micro USB cable on the top and run the cable from the roof towards the side pillar of your car, and then plug in the 12-volt charger. And that's it. Now just insert a micro SD card and your dashcam is ready to use. Now talking about the setup process, we need to download the app Umira, and here just follow the instructions on the screen. So we have set up our dashcam and it's now ready to record. Now let me show you the app features first. So in the app we have the live preview, and here we have a timeline by which you can see the recording of an earlier time. At the bottom we have the option to click a picture and also download a video onto your device. In these settings, you can select the recording resolution, which it supports up to 1080p. Then we have other options such as date watermark, speaker volume, voice recording, and also we have the collision sensitivity settings, and with this, the dashcam will record a short video in the event of any collision. And then we have the time-lapse settings, which requires a hardware kit. Now let's talk about the most important thing, and that is the performance of this dashcam. So we have tested this dashcam in both daylight and nighttime. And in the daytime, we have a pretty decent quality. The video quality is very good. And keeping in mind that it's an entry-level dashcam, we're really happy with the performance of this dashcam during daytime. You can easily read the number plates, and also the colors are quite accurate. The best part is the field of view. The 140 degree field of view looks very good, and you get a wide angle while recording. At the bottom of the footage, we have the Nexdigitron branding and the date and timestamp. We have also used this dashcam in the overcast weather and in the rain, and there also the performance is decent. The mic clarity is very good and it can record the in-cabin sound very clearly. The exposure shift in this dashcam is also very good, and here you can see the camera is adjusting the exposure while entering in the basement. And now about the low light performance, I would say it's decent, though it's not the best when it comes to the quality, but again, keeping in mind the pricing, you're getting a very good performance. So overall, the Nexdigitron A3 Dashcam offers a good design and build quality. The performance of this dashcam is very good for both day and night time. It's a made in India product and the pricing is also very good. So with the hardware kit, you can get this dashcam for under Rs 4000, which is pretty impressive. Apart from the hardware kit, you also have few accessories which you can buy separately. So to sum it up, if you're in the market for your first dashcam for your car, then we highly recommend you to check out the Nexdigitron A3 Dashcam. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the review of the Nexdigitron A3 Dashcam. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this dashcam, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.